Welcome to the Spotlight on using Workflow Anywhere. In this video, I'm going to show you two consoles, Natalie's console and Steve's console. Natalie's role is customer focused, and on her console, she will see sales orders that she needs to approve, credit notes that need approval in the RMA module, and taking a customer off hold. She also has some responsibility for the GL account creation and approval. If Natalie was working on the Sage desktop, her console would appear like this. But using Workflow Anywhere, she will be able to see these workflow instances on her phone or tablet and approve and reject from there. Using ScreenStream to project my phone onto my screen, I'm now going to launch Workflow Anywhere. And because I last connected on this device as Natalie to the OrcaOz Enterprise Company, it automatically connects through for me. And you can see Natalie has a number of workflows to approve. There's the sales order for the embossed notebooks, the new office fit-out sales order. She has to approve an RMA so the credit note can be issued. There's a customer on hold, paper hangers, and waiting to reactivate the GL account. If Natalie is happy with the sales order, for example, she can click on it, see some more details. It's for $4,990, and it's the embossed notebooks for the Christmas order for customer 1520 Stephen Kershaw. So if she goes ahead and approves that, workflows can have a mandatory approval comment. And once approved, this order is taken off hold, and the person who submitted the order would receive an email alerting them that the order has been taken off hold. And you can see that sales order dropped off the active console. The second workflow console I'm going to demonstrate is Steve's workflow console. So Steve has some accounts payable focused workflow instances. He's got a couple of AP invoice batches that he needs to approve. The EFT file needs approval. He needs to approve a new vendor. There's a purchase requisition that needs to be promoted to a purchase order if he approves, and a few purchase orders waiting for approval. But also he's a member of the Purchasing Manager and Finance Manager group, so he has a couple of instances about the GL account creation or reactivation and taking the customer off hold, similar as to what Natalie had because they're both in the same group. Assuming this is the first time that Steve has launched Workflow Anywhere, he will need to log in. And these are his Sage 300 credentials. And he can select which company he has access to. And when Workflow Anywhere connects through to Sage 300, he will get the workflow instances waiting for him or a group that he's in to approve. We can see that he's got the AP payment batch to approve, an EFT file to approve, a vendor to approve, a PO requisition, a couple of PO requisitions to approve, a purchase order to approve, the same customer off hold approval that Natalie has because they're both in the same group, some more purchase orders, another AP invoice batch, the GL account that Natalie had as well because they're both in the same group, and some more purchase orders. Assuming Steve wants to post this AP invoice batch, he can click on it to see more details, and he can see that the total dollar value of the AP invoice batch is 1190, and it was ready to post requested by admin. He can go ahead and reject or accept and post. and if he clicks Accept and Post, this AP invoice batch will be posted, and the originator will receive an email alerting them that the batch has been posted. And that workflow instance drops off his console. In order to use Workflow Anywhere, you need to have Extender activated in the required companies and the appropriate workflow templates enabled in those companies. You need to install Workflow Anywhere web service in IIS, either on the Sage 300 server or on a separate server, depending on your infrastructure. You need to set up the Sage 300 users as workflow users and Workflow Anywhere users. And then on the required tablet or phone, you need to download the app and then use the app on the mobile device. If you are connected to the VPN, you can use your tablet within the firewall, but if you want to use your phone or tablet outside the firewall, then you need to open a port for IIS in order to get access to the Sage 300 data. Thank you for watching this Workflow Anywhere Spotlight. Please go to www.orchid.systems for more information on Workflow Anywhere and Extender Workflow or any of Orchid's products.